You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I thank you for that. Today I want to talk about this one thing, this one pillar. If we do look to address it, if you choose to address it, you will have a better quality of life. Because we all want better quality of life. And that is anywhere from financial, holistic, relationship-wise. But when we look at it, our health is our wealth. So just having a better quality of life all around, it affects everything. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Levia. I'm a personal trainer and a nutritionist. I love what I do. I love transforming people's life with nutrition and fitness as well. And today I would like to talk to you about that one thing. That one thing is movement. Yeah, it's as simple as that. The Arthritis Foundation say it like this: movement is medicine. They also say movement is life. Movement is life. As human beings, that's how we was designed to move. We move. Even the way we talk, we move. Just to get up, we move. However, most of us look at movement as exercising, and when we think about exercising, we think about hard. I know. But movement is more than just exercising. Movement is just taking that action in the morning and getting up. Movement is just walking across your hall, swinging your arms, stretching. That is movement. And they show that more someone move is much more the body tend to perform actually. Daily movements, even beyond the average norm that you do, just get up, brush your teeth, put on your shoes, go to work, then sit and type. More than just that. Movement it could be anything from just walking up the stairs. Addition to what you're currently doing will help. And let me show you and tell you where it could help. It could help anywhere from boosting the immune system, according to science. It also could help promote healing as well, which is crazy. All right? It also improves digestion. That's anywhere from the heartburn, the bloatedness. Just movement could help with that. It could also help with blood pressure and many other things. Movement is life. I remember when I was a kid, when I would get the common cold, which was rare, my grandma will dress me up with a lot of stuff. She'll rub me down with all kind of herbs, and then she'll tell me, go and take a walk. And to tell you the truth, it helped. My body will know it's fighting this thing, and by me moving, it builds up a heat and keep my body cool, and the fever will go. And I don't know if she knew a secret then, but I applied to my life every single day, and it's something I would like to tell you and share with you as well. Just move. That's all we have to do. Move. Move some more. And move some more. More you move, more you feel good. Your body produces endorphins, which is the happy juice, and you just feel happier. Your mood change. So move. You can start off from just walking up the stairs or down the stairs. For the ones who want a little more challenge, try walking an entire block. For the ones who might be skeptical, they don't want to go outside around people, you could jog on the spot at home, in the living room, in your backyard, in your front yard. Try that. Move some and more. Hey, I hope this information resonates with you somehow, and I hope you could take just that one nugget that applies to you. If you believe it could help a friend, a colleague, please share this content. I will appreciate it a lot. Until next time, stay healthy and fit.